This is a Bionicle 2009 review on the Glatorian Turok. Okay, here we go. The instructions. Now let's start building. Okay, first need this piece, here you go. There we go. Now we put this on. Okay, now we put this piece on his head. Here we go. Now we put this piece on his foot. Good. Now we put in this piece. Wait. You get this, put it in there. Now you gotta put them right here. You gotta put this piece. Here you go. Now, finally, we got the last one. These are hard, and these are really hard for me to put in. Put it in there. Now we put his feet on. And we put that one. And here we go. Here it goes in all the way. Now put in this. Claws for his hands. Oh, why is this supposed to go in? Okay, now we put in on this, which looks really cool. His mask. It's really long. And then, for the last step, we put on these. How to and review. Go. And this is Turok. Now we're going to be starting to review him. Here's claws. Claws right here. Turok. This is Turok. This look at his claws. Looks really cool, and look at how long this is. And this was my review and a how-to build on Terraroot. It's sort of this is how I'll make my reviews, build them, then I show you them. So I hope you did enjoy it. There's probably going to be more Bionicle reviews coming soon, so stay tuned. Bye.